How to reset your Commonwealth Bank password. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Commonwealth Bank password if you have forgotten it. To reset your Commonwealth Bank password, first of all, you will need to go to the official website of Commonwealth Bank. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type combank.com.au. Now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Commonwealth Bank. Here on this homepage, you will find log on button at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, you will be presented with three different options. Here select the first option that says NetBank log on. You can also choose other options based on your preference. Now click on it and now you will be taken to a new page. Here in this page you will need to click on this I have forgotten my logon details link just below this logon button. Once you click on it, now you will be redirected to a new page. From here you can now retrieve your logon details. First of all, in this box you will need to enter your 16-digit card number. And in the second box, you need to enter the PIN that you use for this card at ATM terminals. After entering these details, below you will see the option I need to reset my net bank password. Now make sure you select this little square ahead of it so that you could reset your net bank password. Now after doing it, you need to click on this next button at the right side and then you will be redirected to a new page and then you will be taken to step 2, which means security verification. Here you will need to verify your identity first. For that, you need to click on this Get Net Code SMS. Once you click on it, now the net code SMS will be sent to a mobile number. Wait for the code and once you get it, click on the second box and enter the net code that you have got. Once you enter this code, now you need to click on this next button at the bottom and then there you will be able to see your login details, and from there you will be able to create a new password for your Commonwealth Bank account. Make sure your new password meets the bank's security requirements. After that, follow the prompts to confirm the password change and then you should receive a confirmation message once your password has been successfully reset. So by following the steps, you should be able to reset your Commonwealth Bank password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.